What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP's Audio 08, and we're coming to y'all with another build update. So right here we are taking the door panels off so we can actually put some deadner in the doors. Now as far as the trunk, I got Stinger roadkill inside the trunk, and I was gonna go with Stinger roadkill for the doors as well, but you know, so I was talking with my metra dealer and he was like, dude, try this ballistic stuff out. So I was like, you know, I put Stinger in the trunk. I really didn't want to do anything else. So it don't really matter what you have, hush mat, damper pro, whatever it is, Stinger roadkill, dynamite, it's all gonna serve the same purpose. Now mind you, some may have different thicknesses and all that type of stuff, so whether you may have to use one brand and use double layers or use one brand and just one layer, either way it's gonna still serve the same purpose. So for me, I'm trying to do everything the most cost effective way. So this right here is a door without sound deadener. This is a door with deadener. Do you hear the sound difference? Front door, rear door. The rear doors are in the Ballistic, and the trunk lid is actually done in Stinger roadkill. So listen to this. Let's go to the trunk. It's not that much of a difference. So for me to save a couple bucks, I will go ahead and use the exact same Ballistic stuff in the front doors. One thing that I like to do is just start cutting some strips, and I like to measure. I'm gonna do this inside first. Some people will tell you that you might want to go ahead and try to clean it as much as possible. Like maybe you don't want any dirt or dust to be on this. This doesn't have any type of dirt on it. Down there at the bottom it kind of does, but I'm actually not gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna stick it on. If it sticks, it sticks. Shouldn't be like that, but I don't care that much. So we're gonna cut this and see where I can actually put it on the inside. And just by eyeballing it, I see that I can actually go below this little support bar and put it right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then we just peel that off, peel that back part off. Once you find out where you're gonna stick it, and then you put it in there and you stick it. Stick it on there by hand first, and then you can get a roller and you use the roller to actually apply it. Just sticking this stuff on here is not going to do nothing. You have to roll it so it can actually adhere to the door panel. Now, what I also like to do when I actually take the backing off, I like to save this part. Not necessarily save it for like future installs and stuff, because it's gonna come with every piece of deadener that you got. But I do like to use this because I can make little templates, because I'm kind of meticulous when it comes to like laying the deadener. Some people just put it on there, roll it, put it on there, roll it, put it on there, roll it, and you can do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But just in case one of my motors or something like that is to go out, I want to be able to get to the bolts without having to worry about cutting this big old hole out and reach behind and try to find where the bolts are supposed to go. You know what I'm saying? So you can make your own little templates. So if I wanted to make a piece that's gonna go just right here or whatever, and I wanted to be perfect, I can come right here, measure, whatever the case is, and then I know that this piece will go right here because I cut it to be like that. And then I can take that, put it on here, and then I can boom, boom, and then have that piece out, and then I can lay that perfect piece there with using my template. Alright, so I got the inside pretty much done except for that little metal bar. I'll do that here in a second. But next thing I wanted to show you guys is what I like to do is actually take all your harnesses down. I have something that connects here, connects there, and connects there, and then it also sends all that to this big blue one. I like to take that down, that way I just have pure metal to work with. Now I'm going to start detonating all this stuff and leaving little spaces for every place that I have to put a screw and every spot that I may have to unscrew something. Like this right here I know goes to the track. That right there is probably gonna hold my window motor in and all that good stuff. Alright, so that pretty much wraps that one up. Alright y'all, moment of truth. Rear door, front door, Sounds pretty dense to me. I like the way you look at me. Let's go do the other door. Alright, y'all gotta excuse me because it's getting dark outside, but that is the passenger door. I'm about to go ahead and put that door panel back on real quick. Alright, y'all, so let me tell you what happened. Last night it got dark. I had every intention on coming to the garage and finishing this video, and I went to sleep. Alright, y'all, for the most part, the reason why I usually do these bolt kits is because, like, I don't know how much I'm actually going to use. So if I just buy like one door kit may have two little 12 by 12 sheets, or it may have one 12 by 24 inch sheet, and if I get 4 of those, I won't reach the goal that I'm trying to actually go as far as doing the inside shell and outside shell. You end up just like, I think the speaker door kits are just a 12 by 12 sheet and you just put it around the speaker. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do the entire door. So I got the full trunk kit. Like I told you earlier, it comes with 9 sheets. They're 18 by 32. It comes out to about 36 square feet, and I have about 2 sheets. So I'm gonna need y'all to excuse my light changing situation. My light just died. Anyway, Ballistic stuff, I have nothing bad to say about it. You know how sometimes you may get like a type of sound deadener and it actually has like a little smell to it? This one does not. As a matter of fact, on the box it says odor free. And honestly, I want to tell you guys, just get the one that's the most cost effective for you. Me personally, I'm not too big when it comes to deadener as far as like saying I have to have Dynamite or I have to have the Stinger roadkill. It really doesn't matter to me. It matters how it performs and what can I get it for. As I was looking online to try to help you guys out to find some links, I found that these bolt kits are not necessarily up there. They're still cheaper than the Dynamite, but they're still like over $100. And then I also found the Stinger roadkill on Amazon for about $90. So 36 square feet. Actually, I think the bolt kit is, no, both of them are 36. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll put all those links in the description for you guys to go check it out yourself. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. If you got an Amazon Prime account and you got free shipping, free 2-day shipping, or just free shipping in general, like, save that money. That's what this is about. It's not about getting rich, or it's not about me making a profit off of you guys. I'm here to help you guys save money. And if you just want to go ahead and do like how I'm doing it, then shoot, I'm gonna tell y'all the best way to do it, straight up. So I will put some links for some deadener types that's in the description, and you guys go for what you know. You know what I'm saying? If you feel comfortable with doing this one because it's the one that I got, boom, go ahead and get it. If you say, hey, you use Stinger in the trunk and that link down there says it's like $30 cheaper, then hey, save them $30. That can be anything else. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, I don't want this video getting too long. Just want to stop by and say, hey, we got another update for the 08 Camry. I will be having it done at scraping. That is my goal right now, and I love each and every one of y'all. New t-shirts coming up on the website soon. Float towels coming on the website soon. I'm actually making them right now as we speak. And shoot, it's your boy JP's Audio 08 signing out, baby. I'll catch y'all with the next update.